Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make purchases you'll brag about at parties. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers. On the left, we have the AnkerMake M5C, aka Speedy McPrinter Face, and on the right, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo, or as we like to call it, the Budget Beast. Let's find out which of these bad boys deserves a place on your workbench. First up, let's talk about the thing that makes your wallet cry: price. Speedy McPrinter Face here comes in at $399. Yeah, I know, it's like paying for a year's worth of Netflix, but hey, it's high speed and high quality. Meanwhile, the Budget Beast is a steal at $239. That's cheaper than a night out in New York City. If you're a penny pincher who still wants to print in style, this might be your new best friend. Next up, let's talk about speed. Who doesn't want their 3D prints faster than a pizza delivery? AnkerMake M5C boasts a jaw-dropping 500 millimeters per second thanks to its Power Boost 2.0 technology. That's like giving your printer a triple espresso shot. The Budget Beast clocks in at 250 millimeters per second. Not too shabby, but compared to Speedy McPrinter Face, it feels like it's jogging while the AnkerMake is sprinting. Now, what good is speed without some drool-worthy print quality? Let's see who wins the beauty contest. Speedy McPrinter Face has 0.1 millimeters precision and can get down to 50 micrometers resolution with a 0.2 millimeters nozzle. That's finer than the hair on a gnat's leg, folks. On the other hand, the Budget Beast uses linear propulsion and input shaping to reduce spillage and print resonance. It's like having a personal trainer for your printer, ensuring those models are gym fit and fabulous. Next, let's talk about how easy these machines are to use. Because who wants to read a 100-page manual? AnkerMake M5C offers Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, plus a user-friendly app. You can control it from your couch, your bed, heck, even your bathroom. Just don't drop your phone in the toilet. The Budget Beast comes with LeviQ 2.0 automatic leveling. It's like having a butler that ensures everything is just right before you start. And let's be honest, who doesn't want a butler? Finally, let's talk about reliability and customer support. Because when things go wrong, and they will, you want someone to hold your hand. Speedy McPrinter Face has wear-resistant components and a 300 degrees Celsius all-metal hot end. It's like the Terminator of 3D printers. Hasta la vista, baby! The Budget Beast comes with a 1-year after service and lifetime technical support. You can even reach them at Amazon support at Anycubic.com. So when you're pulling your hair out, they've got your back. Both the AnkerMake M5C and Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo have their strengths and weaknesses according to Amazon reviews. Reviewers appreciate the AnkerMake M5C for its fast printing speeds, easy setup, and solid build quality, though it can be noisy and has a higher initial cost. On the other hand, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo is praised for its affordability, user-friendly features, and robust customer support, though some users have experienced issues with network connectivity and reliability. All right, smart shoppers, it's decision time. Do you go for the high-speed, high-quality AnkerMake M5C, aka Speedy McPrinter Face? Or do you save some bucks and go with the reliable and user-friendly Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo, aka the Budget Beast? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy printing and stay smart. Product links are in the description.